In this video, I'll explain how to remove the bottom n rows from a data frame using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. So in the video, I will show you two examples, and both of these examples are based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 to 4 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data frame object appears, which is called data. And if you click on this data object, a new window is opened, which is showing the structure of our data frame. And as you can see, our data frame contains 10 rows and 3 columns, which are called x1, x2, and x3. Now let's assume that we want to remove the bottom 3 rows of our data frame. Then we can apply the head function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. So within the head function, we need to specify the name of our data set. Our data set is called data. And then we need to specify the number of rows that we want to remove with a minus sign in front. So if you run line 6 of the code, a new data frame is appearing at the top right, which is called data new 1. And if you click on this data set, you can see that we have removed the bottom 3 rows from our data frame. So in this first example, I have explained how to use the basic installation of the R programming language to remove bottom n rows from a data frame. However, it's also possible to use the dplyr package to remove the bottom n rows from a data frame. And this is what I want to show you in the next example, starting in line 8 of the code. So in lines 8 and 9 of the code, I'm installing and loading the dplyr package. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 9 of the code. So after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of the dplyr package, such as the slice and the n functions. And in line 11 of the code, I'm applying these two functions to our data set. And then I'm storing the output of this in a new data frame, which is called data new 2. So if you run line 11 of the code, you can see that a new data frame object appears at the top right, which is called data new 2. And if you click on this data frame, you can see that we have created exactly the same output as in the first example. However, this time we have used the dplyr package instead of base R. So in this tutorial, I have explained how to remove the bottom n rows from a data frame using the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the R programming code that I have shown in this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.